Hello there. This is a RFID based student attendance system with the SMS to the parents and to the HOD along with the update of the attendance on the internet. So this is a project built around 89S52 microcontroller. We have SIM 900A modem to connect the system with the internet and also to send the SMS. We have a simple keypad over here. The keys are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, star, 0 and hash, similar to the keypad of old mobile phones. This is a EM18 RFID reader, and in this reader we can read the RFID cards. This is a 24C32 EEPROM memory module to save the information of the students. Okay, now the project works in 3 modes. The first mode is attendance mode, second mode is the card registration mode, and the third mode is HOD number registration mode. So now let's go through all these modes. To switch the mode from attendance to registration, all we need to do is press the hash key. You can see there the mode is switched to the registration mode. It says swipe card to register. Now we will swipe our card number 1. Okay, it shows the card number. Then it asks to enter the parent contact. Let us enter in mobile number. Okay, it asks for the roll number 1. Okay, 7 details for the student. Now it asks to swipe another card for the registration. Okay, this is how we can register all the cards. Now let's move on and switch ourselves into the HOD contact registration mode. So for that reason you need to press the star. So when you press the star, it will ask to enter the HOD contact. For the simplicity, I am keeping both the numbers same. So okay, oops, I entered the wrong number. So to clear the number, I can just press the star to clear it. Okay. Okay, it is saving HOD contact down. Now I want to register. Now I want to switch myself into the attendance mode from registration mode. So I will again press the hash key. Okay, registration mode. Now here you can see that we have developed the website for the project. Here there are no students right now, so okay, let us swipe the card first. So I swipe the card, it will check where the card is. Okay, it found the card at roll number 1 and it is sending the SMS to the parents. Say I have one message arrived over here. See this, I have got 2 messages back to back, okay, from the number. And now let's see if the same entry is updated on the internet or not. So this is the website we have. All we need to do is refresh the page, and you can see the one that entry is added into the website. So let us swipe another card. This time we are going to swipe this card. This is 2 number. It is already registered at the number 2. You can change the registration number at any time. Okay, it has found it. Okay, for this card I have entered some different numbers. The student, as the HOD number is mine, I must get at least 1 SMS. Yes, I got the SMS. Here you can see this SMS, student 2 has entered into this code. Okay, now let's see if the thing has updated on the internet or not. For that reason, all I need to do is refresh the page. Okay, you can see there are 2 entries now on the internet or website. Okay, this is how it works. Thank you.